When you're ready to start seeing clients in Owl, everything happens from your calendar. Let's walk through how to book a session and keep things running smoothly. To begin, within your calendar view, hover over the time slot you want, then select directly on that date and time. This opens the Create Session window automatically. Start typing the client's name, and Owl will search your client list and suggest matches as you type. Next, open the service dropdown and choose the service you are providing. Once everything looks right, select Create Session at the bottom. Now, if you need to mark time for a meeting, a break, or anything outside of your regular availability, you'll use the same scheduling workflow. Select the time and date that you want, and when the Create Session window opens, change the event type from Client to Personal or Unavailable. Personal can be for events outside of work, such as a personal appointment, while unavailable can be for work-related events, such as you're not seeing clients, but you're playing catch-up on admin. Fill in anything you want noted on your calendar, then select Create Session. This keeps your day organized and prevents anyone from booking over that time. Owl also helps you cut down on cancellations by sending reminders to clients. If you want to use reminders, let's start by creating your default message template. Go to Settings, then Notifications, and open up the Reminders tab. Choose whether you're setting up an email or SMS reminder. Type in your message and use macros to automatically pull in session details like the date, time, or video link. Once done, select Save.